Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chat errors on your computer. So if your Google Chat errors like not being able to send messages or not even opening the apps, I have several ways you can do it to fix it. So this is you can check your internet connection. You can disable browser extension. You can sign out and sign back in. You can reset site permissions. You can make sure JavaScript is enabled, or you can clear browser cache and cookies. So that's all I can show. You can do this one by one, and I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.